full complete guide on how to install a Elgato capture card and get it fully upgraded and working. So let's go. All right, so this is part 2 of the unboxing. We're gonna install it in our computer. So the process is to show y'all this, and then show y'all this, unbox it, and then put it in my PC. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and open it. I never pull the cardboard right. Let's pull this double cardboard. Let me pull this up. Is that what you do? Oh no, that's not what you do. Take this out. Like that. Put this to the side. Hopefully it comes out straight. Okay, nothing comes inside the box. Put this to the side. Okay, you have the Elgato emblem or the Elgato logo on the front of the box. This is what you have on the back of the box. Get a little closer. And we're gonna turn it the other way around, the front ways, and we're gonna open it. And voila. So in here you have the 4K Pro presenting you an ultra high-speed HDMI cable, along with the instructions on how to install it in your computer. Take this out. Instructions, or manual, and I know for a fact, as of late, I know something always comes up under the box, and it does. You have an HDMI cable in here. I'm glad I'm recording this for future references, just to know exactly where I put everything, because I'd be like, damn, bro, where my stuff go? Okay, I thought that was a pamphlet. And that's pretty much it, what goes inside the box. We're gonna put this back though. Put that back, safekeeping. My gaming computer has been sitting in the corner for a very, very long time. I'll let y'all get a good look at this while we talk about this. And while it was sitting in the corner for a very, very long time, it's been collecting dust. So we gotta go to Walmart and we gotta get one of those spray cans, the aerosol cans that clean computers, and we're gonna clean it out. Now we gotta wipe it down a little bit. Only on the outside though, don't wipe the inside of your computer. And we're gonna go ahead and switch over to me installing this on the PC. Made it back from Walmart. And we grab our electronic dusters. Okay, there we go. The hardest time, bro. I hope I don't have a hard time installing that capture card. So here we go. But as far as the capture card goes, this will be my very, very first time installing my capture card. So take y'all along for all the first time doers. If I mess this up, don't do exactly what I did. Do everything opposite of what I did. If I do this wrong, if I do this right, then there's your tutorial video. And it probably made it on YouTube. So the very first thing you're supposed to do is touch this. Touch the outsides of the computer to get rid of that electrical current. Just make sure you don't get no static or you don't get shocked or nothing like that. And then, and then you're supposed to find the actual port it's supposed to go into. So I think that port is actually right here. Hold on, let me cut up my light. Okay, there we go. All right, there it is right there. Sorry if I keep bumping the camera, but you see where my finger's at? Like right above my finger, I think that's the port. Matter of fact, I'm pretty sure because I watched the video at least 2 or 3 times before I did this. But the first thing first, we have to clean it. We have to clean this computer. We have to clean this PC. As you can see, the fan got dust down here a little bit. Has dust. And that fan has dust. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm not gonna touch it. You're not supposed to touch nothing. And this fan, it's basically dust everywhere. So we're gonna take this out. Pop this out. So we're gonna test spray this. Let me see. There we go. So it's spraying now. So we're gonna test it out here. Damn, keep moving my camera. So move that out the way. Spray all that stuff out. Spray all that dust up out of there. Okay. We ready. All right, let's turn this thing over. Hopefully I ain't messing nothing up. Damn, I bumped my camera again. Well, second thing, really, after blowing everything out and everything, airing everything out, cleaning it up, we got to take out both of these. Okay, we have to get a screwdriver. Out of breath, because I have to go downstairs and run up the stairs. So we're gonna unscrew this. Make sure I don't lose my screws. Okay, cool. All right, out of all things that can go wrong is this. I did lose that screw. It's down here somewhere, hold on. It's down here somewhere by the hard drive and the power supply. It is a magnetic screw, so that also sucks. And it did go up under the motherboard, so my computer may be fried. We're gonna find out. Try to get it out later, but we're gonna take this out. Do this the right way. And we're gonna unpackage this. I'm trying to hurry up because I only have like 19 minutes. And I know this shouldn't be something you should be rushing about. So this goes in like this. So it does go in directly, straight ahead. So we're going to, I think it goes in like this. No, it doesn't. Straight, and you just push it down up in there. Then we're gonna use a screw. Wow. Tighten this up. So naturally I didn't have to unravel that other one, but I'm still looking for the other screw. And pretty much that's it. Plug it into the port, screw it back, clean the computer off, that's one step. Unscrew the port that goes into, plug it into that port, and then put your case back on. You know what I'm saying? Screw it back up and then put your case back on. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna go to the computer side of things in the background, the actual setup on the computer, and see if this actually works. So we're gonna fire it up and see if it works. All right, so at this point now I'm getting a bit worried. Hold on, let me plug in my mic. All right, so at this point I am a bit worried because when I did spray the aerosol can or the spray X can, a little liquid did come out and it hit the motherboard. And then two, that screw that went loose, and then three, another screw went loose when I tried to replace the other screw, just being extra. The one from the bottom that wasn't being used. And the tip of the screwdriver is magnetic, so I used it. I don't know what I was thinking. I used that part to pick up the screw, and the screw was on the motherboard. So let's hope and pray my computer at least turns on. So if not, it's $700 down the drain. So we're gonna see. Okay, the lights came on. We got action. Let me cut the light off so y'all can see better. Yes, I have a Samsung G9, Odyssey G9. Picked this one off Amazon. I should do a review on this, but I'm not even gonna try to talk all the way through this while it's turning on. But I guess I want to get the reaction of it actually coming on. If it does come on, then this is my first time actually seeing this happen, though. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna wait and see. I only got like really 9 minutes left on my memory card, so it says please wait. So that's a good sign. It says please wait. I don't know if y'all can see that. It says please wait. Let me zoom in real quick so I can get full. You did. Then over. I'm thinking that's a good sign. It could not be a good sign. Yes, it says please wait. I guess it's installing the Elgato capture card. So we're gonna wait for it. I'll probably end up fast forward and skipping past this part until we get confirmation and actually seeing what's really going on. The anticipation. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. I think we got action, baby. I did it right. This is getting uploaded to YouTube. Let's go. Let's go. I didn't fry my motherboard. Now what I gotta do is, I gotta go download the Elgato program and update the capture card. Then I'm gonna plug it up and we can actually see it work. I'm sorry this video is super duper long, man. This is my first time doing this. If I was a pro, like anybody who knew what they're doing, they would get through it super duper fast. And there's plenty of other videos out there that does it super duper fast. Even on Elgato website, YouTube page, they do it super duper fast. But like I said, this is my very first time doing this. So it's a whole process, a learning thing. So, you know what I'm saying? I could just pick up the do's and the don'ts. Make sure you guys try not to drop your screws. See, my computer already slow. The start is the icons is over here, but the start is not popping up. Super slow. We're gonna have problems with that. But like I was saying, make sure you don't drop the screws. Make sure you guys use a screwdriver, a magnetic screwdriver. I don't know. Yeah, use a magnetic screwdriver. That's probably the best bet. So you won't drop the screws. Make sure you guys don't touch the motherboard. Make sure you guys clean your computer. What else is a good tip? What else is a good tip? Oh yeah, when you picking up the Elgato out the plastic, make sure you don't touch the circuit board on the top, and just make sure you guys touch the side. So make sure you hold it on that little bracket thing that goes on the outside where it says in and out on the HDMI port, and then hold it on the other side. And then when you pushing it in, just try to like use your thumbs on the outside. Make sure you don't touch the top, make sure you don't touch the bottom. So that's my 2 tips. It may be more out there, but you know what I'm saying, that's the best I can give you from my experience, you know what I'm saying, for first time doing this. It's the full, complete guide of how to install a Elgato capture card and get it fully upgraded and working. So, let's go. Alright, so you guys, just for context, the capture card is up and running. This is me streaming on Twitch, Call of Duty. I hate to highlight the kills, but I did get 22 kills that match. My webcam is working. The game is showing crystal clear, as you can see through the video you're seeing on your screen right now. And just make sure you guys follow all the steps that I gave you throughout this whole video. And then for further details, like if you want to know like the bit rate and stuff for your video as far as your internet and stuff goes, look more, search for more of that on another YouTube video. Maybe somebody else can help you. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video. The next video, I'm sorry, it will be not be a technology video this time. we are going to do my top 10 sneakers in my collection. So you guys, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Hit the notification bell too, cause we got some more dope videos on the way. So see you guys later. Peace.